In a world where uptime is everything, industrial automation must do more than just operate. It must defend. At Wunderlich-Malec, we engineer cybersecurity into every layer of your control systems, from design through deployment. Our Industrial Foundation Networks team delivers IT/OT infrastructure that is fully functional, highly available, and cybersecure without slowing you down. We implement zero-trust architecture, secure remote access, and follow ISA/IEC 62443 standards, so your operations stay safe, compliant, and connected. With decades of success across water, energy, manufacturing, life sciences, and many more, we understand what it takes to secure complex systems, modular, scalable, and future-ready. Our solutions grow with your business. Wunderlich-Malec. Security first, performance always. Reach out to our Industrial Foundation Networks team to get started.